Scenic Scottish landscapes, breathtaking sights, or a taste of tradition. There's a window of opportunity just around the corner in Aberdeenshire and Moray. Take time for a toast with friends down Distillery Road, or spend the journey bickering to decide if the ice cream is better in Portsoy or Cullen. There's room for everyone on Service 35. Aquatic wonders and marine life to marvel. Historic fishing and shipbuilding ports and memories of those before us. It's Service 35. From one window to another, what will you discover? Bowfiddle Rock or Finletter Castle's rocky ruin perched dramatically over the sea. Just a ring of the bell for a hearty taste of the town, or a browse around the shop that has everything and more. It's Service 35. Every corner comes with another Insta-worthy moment. Whether you're commuting or planning a staycation, you can admire the spectacular scenery on our Service 35 between Aberdeen and Elgin, with journeys every hour and a friendly face welcoming you on board. What will you see from your window on the 35? Plan your trip today at stagecoachbus.com.